Right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Yes. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our session, so let us try to have an idea about what are the topics which are covered in our last class. So, guys, on last class, that is on our Friday session, we have completed discussing about final keyword and garbage collection. Am I right? Yes. We have seen what is actually final keyword. What is the use of final keyword? I told you we can use final keyword in three ways. That is, a variable can be declared as a final, a method can be declared as a final, and a class can be declared as final. Final variables are constants. Final methods can't be overridden, and final class can't participate in inheritance. Means we cannot inherit a final class. Basically, final keyword is used to restrict the user, like we already covered that. And after that, we had gone, like we have discussed regarding garbage collection, and we have seen what is garbage collector and what is the algorithm which is used by garbage collector, in how many ways we can call a garbage collector when an object is eligible for destruction also. Right. So all those particular concepts we have already covered. Now, guys, okay, Krishna, you're saying garbage collector using runtime class pending. Okay, Krishna, do me a favor, like in the PPT which I have given you, in the slide which I have given you, in the notes which I have given you, did I give you the syntax for runtime class? Did I give you the syntax for runtime class, Krishna? Yes. Can you use that for me, please? Just very simple, very simple. Normally, how we will be using system.gc in order to call a garbage collector, we will be using system.gc, right? Instead of that, okay, just let me go to my main method. Inside my main method, if you want to call garbage collector manually, I told you we can call it with the help of, right, with the help of system class systm system.gc, like this, systm system.gc, either like this or like this. Anyone is okay. Both are valid. I will be preferring like this. Why? Because instead of creating an instance directly with the help of class name, I can call this GC method. GC method in system class, it is a static method. So you know that static methods can be called directly with the help of class name. No, sir, I want to call it only with the help of runtime class. Okay, with the help of runtime class, you need to call get a runtime method. What this get runtime method will be giving? Get a runtime method will be giving you the instance. So that with the help of that runtime instance, we are able to call GC method. That's it. Both are same, Krishna. Both are same. Okay. Right. So guys, we have covered this particular concepts also. And now today we are going to discuss about first topic, that is clone method. Okay. We are going to discuss about clone method. Now guys, did you remember where we have came across this clone method? Where we have came across clone method? We have came across clone method whenever we are dealing with object class. Yes. In object class, I promised you that we'll be discussing about clone method after completing of exception handling. Now today, let us try to have an idea about clone method, guys. Okay. Now what I want you to do is, guys, I'm going to write some code. Okay. I'll be trying to write some code. Just please observe it. If you observe it, you will be understanding it. Okay. Now, class A, class B, and class C. Okay. Now, please observe here in class A. Okay. Class A, class B, and class C. Okay. In class A, I'm having a variable. Okay. Int A, int B. Okay. This is just an instance variable in class A. sorry, in class A. I'm sorry, got it. In class A, okay. Right, two instance variables in class A. In the same manner, I'll be trying to have two instance variables, okay, in class B, like that. Okay, that's it, two variables. Now just let me try take it class C. Now guys, please observe here, class A. In class A, I'm having two variables. In class B also, I'm having two variables. Okay. Now in class C, I'll do one thing, guys. Let me try to have my main method. Okay. Now inside my main method, I'm trying to create an object for class A equal to AOBJ1 belongs to class A, like that. In the same manner, let me try to create an object for class B also, class B. Now here, just let me go with BOBJ1 belongs to class B, like this. Okay. Now guys, with the help of this reference, can I access A and B? What I want to ask is, with the help of class A object, can I assign a value for A and B? Yes or no? Remember, these are instance variables. Yeah, of course I can do that. Of course I can do that. Please observe here, AOBJ1 equal to, let me go with like 100. Okay. AOBJ1 equal to 100 and AOBJ1 dot A equal to 100 and AOBJ1 dot B equal to 200, like that. I can assign, not all trouble. Now if I want to print also, happily I can print this. For example, AOBJ1 dot A plus, just let me try to have a small string like this. Okay, plus AOBJ1 dot B. Okay. Now, what is our expected output here, guys? What is our expected output? Like if I'm executing my program right now, here my output should be. Am I right or wrong? 100 and 200. I'm assigning a value for my instance variable and I'm trying to access my variables. That's it. Right click, run as Java application. Sorry. Yeah. Right click, run as Java application, 100 and 200, right? As simple as this, very, very simple. For example, guys, if I'm trying to create class A, AOBJ2 equal to AOBJ1, like this. Okay. Now, what is this, guys? It is a reference. Am I right or wrong? It's completely a new reference, not an object. Not an object. For example, AOBJ2 dot, let me go with like B, AOBJ2 dot B equal to some, for example, I'm going with 9. Okay, I'm going with 9. Now, system.out.println, system.out.println here. Okay, AOBJ1 after this, just let me try to have plus AOBJ2 dot B. Now what is my output, guys? Did you understand the code which I have written? Now what is my output? I got the output from Manoj. Suma, very good. Kamlesh, very good. Okay, I got the output from Datta, Upender. Come on, outputs, guys, outputs. Ilyas, Sridhar. Okay, guys. Yeah, Suresh, Charan, Bhuvaneshwar, I'm getting your outputs, guys. I'm getting your outputs. Guys, most of the time, what people are giving, the outputs which I'm getting is here 100, here 200, and here 9. Most of the time, I'm getting outputs like that. But as a matter of fact, the output is 100, 9, and 9. 100, 9, and 9. How I'll be getting 100, 9, and 9? Sir, this is actually we have assigned a new value. Guys, yes, you have assigned completely a new value. I'm not saying no for that. But this reference is pointing towards which object? This object. Am I right or wrong? So, whatever the changes which you are doing with this reference, those will be affected for these variables also. This is not at all object cloning. No, this is not object cloning, guys. Object cloning in the sense, two objects, for example, AOBJ1 you are having. Okay, AOBJ1 you are having. If there is one more object, let us take AOBJ3. Whatever data which you are giving with that object, that is AOBJ3, will not be affected for AOBJ1. Are you understanding me, guys? For example, I'll do one thing, guys. I'll do one thing. Let me try to create a clone. Now, in class A, I'm trying to have a method void. Just let me go with like show method. Okay. The method name itself is show method. Now, inside this show method, guys, this part you need to understand. This part you need to understand. Okay. Now, please concentrate correctly. Instead of void, I'm trying to give this method a return type as class A. Can I give like this? Can I give like this? Yeah, of course. Of course, I can give like this. Okay. Now, guys, you know what is the use of super keyword? Do you know that? Super keyword. I am not asking super constructor call. Can you please tell me what is the use of super keyword? Super keyword. Guys, keywords are different. Constructor calls are different. You already know that. What is the use of super keyword? Suma. Manoj, not exactly another method. There should be a little bit more. Exactly. Guys, super keyword is used to call parent class methods, super class variables. Did you remember that particular point? Now, what I want to do, I want to call clone method, super super dot clone method. I want to call this clone method. And here I'm trying to write throws. Throws. I don't want to handle an exception. I'll be trying to escape from exception handling. Throws. Just let me go with clone not supported exception. Clone not supported exception like this. Now, please observe here. Here, I'm just trying to, okay, I'll do one thing. Let me make this as class B. OBJ belongs to return. Let me go with like OBJ like this. OBJ like this. And here, just let me make it like class B. Sorry, my mistake. I need to write class A, right? This is class A object. Okay, like this. Okay, so I'm just trying to typecast it into class A. Right, perfect. Now, let me try to explain here, guys. Guys, you know that super keyword, super keyword is used to call parent class method. Sir, but here you did not extended any class. Guys, for every Java class, what is the parent class? Every Java class, what is the parent class? Object. Object class is the parent class, right? So this clone method is present inside. This clone method is present. Where it is present? This clone method is present inside the object class. Inside the object class, guys. See, please observe here. Clone method is present inside the object class. Object class is a predefined class. Object class is a predefined class. So right now, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to call clone method, which is present in object class with the help of super keyword. Now, what is the return? The return type of this clone method is what? What is the return type? It is the return type is object. So what I am trying to do, I am converting that object which is returned by clone into which object, guys? Into which object? Class A object. Typecasting, guys, simple typecasting. That's it. So for this object which is returned by this clone method, trying to give a name like obj, and I'm just returning that object. As simple as this. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. Now, for example, guys, tell me one thing. Please tell me one thing. Can I access obj? Can I access this show method? I repeat, can I call this show method from class A with the help of aobj1? Guys, I just want to write aobj dot show show method. Can I write like this or not? Can I write like this? aobj1, I'm sorry, aobj1 like this. Now guys, once again, I'm trying to explain this. Please observe it correctly. Please observe this correctly. Line number 9. You need to understand line number 9 correctly. I am trying to call clone method, which is present in object class. How I am calling? With the help of super keyword. What clone method will return? Clone method will return the object. Whatever object that is returned by this clone method, I'm trying to convert it into class A. Because I need class A object here. I want to clone class A object. I want to clone class A object. Now here, simply I'm trying to write a return obj like this. I'm just returning it. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. Now my question is here, can I call like this? aobj1.show, aobj1.show. Yes. Please observe this. I should be getting an error. Can anyone tell me why I'm getting an error? Can anyone tell me why I'm getting an error? Datta, very good. Very good. Guys, is show method handling an exception or escaping from exception? It is escaping from exception handling. What I told you guys, if you are trying to call a method which is not handling an exception, what we need to do? Gaurav, you requested some more programs like examples on throws keyword, right? What we need to do? We need to escape from that method also. Means here also we need to write throws throws. Just let me try to write overall exception. Okay. Or else simply I can write try catch here also. No problem. No problem. Are you understanding me, guys? I can keep this line number 18 inside try block, and I can write catch block, but lines of code will be increased. So simply I'm trying to write like this. Now guys, what is the return type of show method? Return type of show method is an object. That is which object? Class A object. Now please observe here guys, class A AOBJ3 equal to like this. Now please observe here, AOBJ3 dot dot B, let me go with like equal to for example 55. I'm trying to give the value as 55 like this. Okay, now please observe. Now please observe here. I'll be trying to write the same code, but I'll be using AOBJ3 AOBJ3.b. Are you understanding me guys? Please tell me. Please tell me. Same code, same code. Okay. Now if I execute my program, I should be getting an exception. Please check that. What is the exception? What is the exception? The exception is clone not supported exception. Now guys, what do you mean by a marker interface? Can you please tell me what do you mean by a marker interface? Anyone? What do you mean by a marker interface? Come on. I told you. Only one abstract method. No, Manoj. Guys, please don't get confused between marker interface and functional interface. Marker interface means an interface which is not having any variables, any methods. It is just an empty interface. It is just an empty interface, right? Did you remember what are the examples for those marker interface? Serializable and clonable, I told you, right? Now, guys, if you want to create a clone for a particular class, once again, if you want to create a clone object for a particular class, that class should 100% inherit a marker interface. And that marker interface name is clonable. So guys, if I want to inherit an interface into a class, which keyword I need to use? I want to inherit an interface into a class. Can you please tell me which keyword I need to use? Come on. Yes. Yes, guys, respond. Others. Yes. Implements. Please observe here. Implements clonable. Implements clonable. Now, guys, kindly please do remember, if you want to create a clone for your class, 100% that class should be implementing clonable interface. And once again, I'm saying you, clonable is a marker interface. Okay, guys, clonable is a marker interface. There will not be any variables or any methods in that particular clonable interface. Okay. For example, let me try to open that implementation. Please check this. Okay. Are there any variables or methods inside this? Please tell me, guys. No, it's an empty interface. Nothing will be there. Nothing will be there. No variables, no methods. But if a class is inheriting this marker interface, then that class will achieve some special properties. In our scenario, this class A, what is the special property which is achieved by this class A? You know, we can create a clone for this class A object. Now, please observe here. Now, let me try to execute our program. Right click, run as Java application. Now, guys, did you understand the difference here? Did you understand the difference? This AOBJ3, I mean, this object is completely different object. So it is not dependent. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? This is how you need to create an clone for your class object. Do me a favor, guys. Do me a favor. Can you please help me out how to create a clone for this class B? Tell me first what I need to do. Class B, class B, class B. First, what I need to do, if I want to create a clone, first what I need to do. First, implements clonable. That is the very first point which you need to do. Okay. After that, write a method. Just simply write a method. Okay. Class B. Some any method. Okay. DISPLA display method. Okay. Now just try to write THROWS throws clone not supported exception, and you need to call a method. I mean superclass method, that is object class method clone, and just try to typecast that object into can you please tell me? Exactly. Class B. Just let me try to have a reference. OBJ belongs to class B, and after that simply try to return that OBJ like that. Return that OBJ, as simple as this. Now you can access that object here. Okay, how to do that? How to do that? With the help of BOBJ1 dot display method. Sorry, BOBJ1 dot display method like this. Now just you can assign that reference to BOBJ2 belongs to class B like this. Class B like this. Now if I'm trying to give a value, okay, BOBJ1 dot X equal to, let me go with like 15, and BOBJ1 dot Y equal to 25, and BOBJ, okay, BOBJ, right, 1 dot Y equal to 25, and BOBJ2 dot, let me go with like Y equal to something like 999. Now please check our output. System.out.println, and here I'm just trying to write BOBJ1.x plus BOBJ1.y plus BOBJ2.y. Now, guys, can you please tell me what is our expected output? Please tell me what is our expected output. 15, 25, 999. For example, guys, for example, if I'm trying to write BOBJ2.x. Now, what is your opinion? Again, I'm saying you that is completely a different object. Please don't forget the basics. For instance variable, I told you for instance variable, for every instance, a separate copy will be maintained. I told you. Did you remember that particular point? So right now, our output will be 15, 25. Guys, instance variable here. You already know that JVM will automatically provide the default values for the instance variables. Am I right or wrong? So this is how we need to create a clone for a particular object. As simple as this. Okay. Do me a favor. Can you please have these programs for me? Starting from class A, please. Class A and class B, please. First, have this class A and class B. Go ahead, be fast. Generally, we will be using, like when we are using our projects also, very rarely we will be creating a clone for an object. Very, very rare. Very, very, very rare. If you want, simply we'll be trying to create one more object, entirely a new object. But you should be having an idea. Okay, guys, the main use of clone method is you know that for instance variable, a separate copy will be maintained for every object, right? So if you want to use that variable in any other classes, same object, you want the same object, but you don't want the values to be changed. You don't want the values to be changed. In that scenarios, we'll be trying to use clone method. We'll be trying to create a clone. Please be fast, guys. And yes, obviously it will be having memory advantages, Gaurav. Please go with class C, guys. Class A and class B complete for everyone. No? Oh, sorry. Class B. Hang on. Just a second. Okay. I believe class A is completed. Please go with class B. Please. Guys, remember, without using new keyword, we are trying to create an object here. Okay. So a lot of processing time will be saved. Class C. Rajshekar, first write class C. Please inform if completed. Inform if completed, guys. Don't sit idle. Right, 1 more minute. Just 1 more minute. 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. Be fast. 1 more minute. Right. Guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. No? Okay. So guys, some people did not write class B. So please just class B, guys, class B. Go ahead, class B. One minute, just 1 minute, just 1 minute. Be fast, be fast. Right. I hope it's completed, guys. Now let me remove this. Right. Now, guys, we are going to start a new concept, that is IO streams. IO streams. Okay. IO streams in the sense input, output streams. Right. So please check this. Guys, very, 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 very important concept. Very important concept. For example, guys, generally just think that there are two files are there. Okay, just normal. There are two files are there. Let us think this is file one, and there is one more file. There is one more file. This is file two. Okay, two files are there, right? So just let me try to take this as file one.txt. Let us consider this as file1.txt and this as file2.txt. Sorry, where it is? File1.txt and this as file2.txt, like this. Okay. Now let us assume that we are having some data inside this file. That is, okay, Java is LVS very awesome. We are having this data inside this file. Now, what I want to do, I want to copy this text. That is, I want to copy this data which is present in this file into this file. Did you understand my requirement, guys? I want to copy whatever the data which is present in this file, like whatever the content, whatever the textual content which is present in this file into this file. So in order to do that, if that is my requirement, I should be using a concept in Java known as IO streams. I should be using IO streams, guys. Okay. So for example, let us consider this like a small tunnel kind of thing like this. Very hard to draw the diagram. Okay. Now let us consider this also as like this. Okay. Now the data between these two files, will be traveling in the form of a stream. Guys, stream. So in order to start a stream, or else in order to read, like if we want to get the data from this file into this file, now what we need to do, we need to perform a read operation. Which operation, guys? Which operation? Read, R-E-A-D, read operation. And if we want to write the data into the file, into this file, we need to use write operation. Write operation, like that. You need to remember this read and write methods, guys. Okay, kindly please do remember a read method and write method. Now the data will be traveling in the form of streams, S-T-R-E-A-M. The data will be traveling in the form of streams. Okay, now my question is, what is actually a stream? What is a stream? Guys, stream means normal dictionary meaning. Stream means continuous flow. Nothing more than that. Stream in the sense a continuous flow. That's it. It may be like a water, or else it may be data, anything, no problem. Basically, stream means a continuous flow without any disturbance. Now, whenever we are trying to read the data from a file and write the same data into another file, that data will be traveled in the form of streams. Now, in Java, guys, we will be having four kinds of streams are there. Four kinds. First one is byte streams. Second one is character streams. Third one is data streams. Finally, fourth one is object streams. So finally, how many types of streams are there, guys? How many types of streams are there? Four, guys. Four. Okay. What are those? Byte streams, character streams, data streams, and object streams. Now, guys, for these byte streams and character streams, there is one special kind of streams are there known as buffered streams. Okay, these buffered streams are allocated only for byte streams and character streams. These are present only for byte streams and character streams. So what are these buffered streams? What are these byte streams, character streams, data streams, object streams? We'll be trying to discuss in our IO streams concept. Am I clear with this, guys? Guys, please tell me. Now, guys, just a second. Let me try to save this. Okay, this is part one. Right. Now, today, guys, I am going to start discussing about byte streams. Today, I'm going to start discussing about byte streams. Now, guys, mark my words. If you are understanding these byte streams correctly, all other streams are exactly same. Just a small theory will be changing, but the code is exactly same. Did you understand what I said just now? Yes. So for another half an hour or 45 minutes, I need your complete concentration for another half an hour or else 45 minutes. or else I may take 1 hour also. Okay, complete concentration, complete concentration. If you are missing this programs, what are the programs which I'm trying to write now? You will not understand remaining streams. Okay, I'll be very, very slow. I'll be very, very, very slow. I'll be very, very precise also. So if you are having wrong internet connection, please, if you are having poor internet connection, make sure you are having a good internet connection right now. Right now, go to that place where you will be getting proper internet connection for half an hour, 45 minutes. I need your complete concentration. Right now, I am going to discuss about byte streams. Okay. Now, please check this. Right. So, guys, basically, the first point is, what are these byte streams? That is most commonly occurred question. What are these byte streams? Right. In byte streams, data will be transferred in the form of bytes, and the length of each data packet is of 1 byte. This you need to remember, guys. 100% you need to remember. Okay. In byte streams, like if they ask you what are actually byte streams, if they ask you what are actually byte streams, you need to say like this. Byte streams means in byte streams, data will be transferred in the form of bytes, bytes, and the length of each data packet is of 1 byte. This is important. The length of each data packet is of 1 byte. You need to remember this. Length of each data packet is of 1 byte. Now, guys, just listen. In byte streams, you are having 2 abstract classes will be there. 2 abstract classes. Input stream is an abstract class, and output stream is an abstract class. In byte streams, there are 2 abstract classes, input stream and output stream. But as these are abstract classes, we cannot directly use them inside our program. Like there will be a lot of restrictions. So what will be happening here, for these 2 abstract classes, there are 2 implementation classes are there. There are 2 implementation classes are there. And those 2 implementation classes are file input stream class, and second one is file output stream class. File input stream class and file output stream class. So once again, I'm saying you know what are byte streams. You know what are byte streams. What are byte streams? In byte streams, data will be transferred in the form of bytes. Data will be transferred in the form of bytes, and the length of each data packet is of 1 byte. And how many abstract classes are there in byte streams? 2 abstract classes are there, input stream and output stream. For these 2 abstract classes, for input stream, we are having an implementation class, file input stream. Sir, what is actually an implementation class? Guys, implementation class in the sense, in our code, in our Java program, in our code, we are going to use these classes, file input stream and file output stream. Are you understanding me, guys? In our program, guys, you need to respond. In our program, we will be using this file input stream and file output stream. We will not be directly writing input stream or else output stream. Why? Because these are abstract classes and these are implementation classes. Did you understand, guys? Please tell me. Guys, please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Yes, that is great. That is great. Now, guys, for this file input stream class, we are having a method known as READ, read method. For the file input stream class, I mean, inside the file input stream class, we are having a method known as read method. And file output stream class will be having a method. Can you guess? Can you guess? Write method. Write method. Okay. Now you need to listen, guys. Please observe it correctly. Observe it correctly. The return type of read method is int. The return type of read method is int. Read method returns the ASCII values of the characters which are present in the file. Read method, just let me try to write it like this. Okay, or else, okay. The return type of read method is int. Read method returns the ASCII values of the characters which are present in the file. If there are no characters present in the file, then read method returns -1. There are no characters present in the file, then read method returns -1. Seriously, you need to remember this point. Okay, guys? Yes. So my question is, guys, very, very simple here. Very, very simple. What is the return type of read method? Can you please tell me? What is the return type of read method? Return type. Return type. Come on, tell me. I'm just asking you return type. That's it. What is the return type of read method? The return type of read method is int. Okay. The return type of read method is int. Right. Just a second. Now, please observe here. Just let me try to keep it like this. Okay. Now, one more. The return type of read method is int. For example, guys, let me just try to have a file here. File 1. Okay. Now here I'm going with A, B, C, D, E, F like this. Okay. Now my question is, what is the ASCII value of A? Some people are giving me 97 also. 97, 76. Guys, capital A here, capital A. The ASCII value of capital A is 65. 65. Okay, guys, please check this. Please check this. For example, guys, this part you need to understand it clearly. Please concentrate. Whatever the part which I'm explaining you right now, you need to understand it clearly. Please observe it correctly. whenever we are trying to read a file, where the cursor will be first? First, where the cursor will be? The cursor will be before A. Am I right or wrong? Before A, starting position, starting of the file. Okay. Now, if you are using read method, for one time, only for one time, what read method will return? Read method will return the ASCII value of A. What is the ASCII value of A? 65. Read method will return 65 and the cursor will move to the like this next character. Are you understanding me, guys? Are you understanding me? Now, if you are trying to call the read method one more time, then what is the ASCII value of B? 66. And the cursor will move to the next character like this. So one more time, 67. From here, the cursor will move to here. One more time, 68. And from here, the cursor will move to like this. One more time, 69. And the cursor will move to like this. So one last time, 70. And the cursor will move to like this. Now, if you are calling read method for one more time, what read method will return? Are there any characters, guys? Are there any characters left behind? No. So if there are no characters present in the file, what read method will return? If there are no characters present in the file, read method will return -1. Just now I told you, if there are no characters present in the file, read method will return -1. Now, one more time, if you are calling one more time, then read method will return -1 like this. If we are getting -1 means, what is the indication of that? If you are getting -1, what is the indication of that? All the data is completed. All the data which is present in that file is completed. Did you understand me, guys? Now, tell me one thing. If we want to get all these characters, how many times we are supposed to call read method? How many times we are supposed to call read method? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Are you understanding me, guys? I hope you are getting me. If you are calling read method only once, then only one character ASCII value will be returned. But we need to call read method until it came across -1. Remember this particular point, guys. Am I clear with this? Guys? Please tell me. Yes, that is very good, guys. That is very good. Now, let us come back. Let me come back here. Now, right method. Guys, right method. Sus, you're asking me once again. I already told you. You need to have proper internet connection. Where you did not understand? At which line you did not understand? At which point? -1. Okay, please unmute. Please, you can unmute. Please unmute. Unmute and ask. You can unmute. Yeah, please speak. Buddy, please get your mic properly. Okay. If you are having a proper connection, like, no, you are not audible. You are not audible. You're not audible, buddy. Please arrange your mic settings correctly, right? Please make that happen. Now, guys, read method. Read method. What this read method will do? Read method will return ASCII values of the characters which are present in the file. The return type of read method is int. You need to remember that. Okay. Right. Now, if there are no characters present in the file, then automatically read method will return -1. Now, let us try to have an idea about write method. Now, guys, what this write method will be doing, actually, write method will accept one parameter, but two types of parameters. Are you understanding me, guys? Two types of parameters. Okay. First one is it will accept int, no problem. It will accept int as a parameter, or it will accept byte array as a parameter. Guys, it is a method here. Write is a method. It accepts either int as a parameter or byte array as a parameter. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Now, just let me try to. Okay. All right. Now, all right, guys, let us try to see a program. Okay. You need to help me out. You need to help me out. Now, please concentrate on the code. Guys, I'm requesting you, please concentrate on the code. Okay. Don't write it. Don't write. I will give you the time. Don't write. Please don't write. If you write, you will not understand. Wait. I promise you, I'll be giving you the time. Now, let me try to take a method. Void file operations file operations 1. Okay. Now, guys, what I want to do, there is this file 1. Okay. I'll do one thing. Just let me. I'm changing the file 1 data like this. So, guys, please check this. Please check this. In E drive, under NIT folder, I'm having this file 1. Now, inside this file 1, I'm having this data like A, B, C, D, E, F as of now, just a simple code, simple data. Now, what I want to do, I want to read this data from the file and print that in the console. My concept is very, very simple here. I want to read the data from a file and print that in the console. Did you understand it? Please tell me, yes or no? Okay. Now, guys, please help me out. If I want to read the data from a console, or else if I want to read the data from a file, which class I need to use? Which class, which implementation class I need to use? Can you please tell me which implementation class I need to use? I am having two classes here, file input stream and file output stream. Which class? Exactly, guys, exactly. I need to use file input stream class. Okay, guys, please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Now here, what I'll be trying to do, let me try to create an object for file input stream class. File input stream, sorry, file input stream class. Now here I need to give the file path. Guys, kindly please do remember all IO stream classes, all IO stream classes are present inside java.io package. In which package? In which package? Java.io. Guys, IO means input, output. That's it. Input, output. All IO stream classes. Right now, we'll be trying to discuss a lot of IO stream classes. Every class is present inside this java.io package. Okay. Now, just let me try to have a reference. FIS belongs to file input stream class like this. Okay. Now, here, what I need to give, guys, here I need to give the file path. File path means from which file I want to read the data. From which file? Okay. What is the file path here? /file1. This is the file path, right? This is the file path. From this file, I want to read the data. Now my question is file1.txt present in this location? Is that present in that location? Are you sure 100% is it present? Of course. So can we escape from exception handling? Yeah, of course. Simply throws throws. I'm writing exception like this. Okay. Did you understand this line, guys? Line number 9. Did you understand this line number 9? Right. Very good. Now, guys, this simple, very simple. I am creating an object here. That's it. I am creating an object for file input stream class. File input stream class. And after that, for this constructor, you know that it is a constructor, right? For this constructor, I am passing a string value. And what is that string contains? What is that string value contains? It contains the path, file path. And please make sure you are supposed to give 2 backslashes. If you are giving a single backslash, then that will be like an escape character. No, you are supposed to give 2 backslashes. Remember that, guys, please. Okay. Now, right. Now here, just for our understanding purpose, I'm writing system.out.println CONNECTO connection CREATED, connection created. Let me execute my program first as of now. Main method. Okay, sorry. Main method. Now inside my main method, I'm creating an object, new class A like this. Let me try to have a reference AOBJ, and that reference belongs to class A like that. Now after that, AOBJ dot file operations, I'm calling method 1. And I believe you know why I'm getting an error here. Do you know why I'm getting an error? Why? Because I'm using throws exception, right? So what I need to do, either I can write try catch, here. For example, if I want to write try catch, no problem, I can write like this, but the code will be increased. Or else simply I can write throws exception. I can directly escape from exception handling. As simple as this. Now, if I execute my program, right click run as Java application. Now, connection created means from our Java program, we are able to successfully create a connection to this file. Did you understand here, guys, up to now? Please tell me. That is very good. That is very good. Now, guys, now I'm going to write 4 to 5 steps right now. Just 4 to 5 lines of code. Only 4 to 5 lines of code. Please observe them correctly. My question is, guys, tell me one thing. In this file input stream class, you know that file input stream class is having a read method. Am I right or wrong? How to call the read method? How to call a method present in a file? I mean, present in a class? I want to call read method. I want to call read method. So can I call read method fis dot read method like this, guys? Can I call like this? Of course. Now, what is the return type of read method? Return type of read method, int, right? Can I write like this? Int x equal to, yes. Okay, I'll do one thing. Guys, is this line clear for everyone? Please tell me. Is this line clear for everyone? What is there here? Simple code, very, very simple code. Now, what I'll be trying to do, first, let me try to create a variable here. It's a local variable. Now, for example, let me write while condition. While. Okay. The condition is x not equal to -1. Sir, what is the value of x? Okay. X equal to fis dot read. Guys, can I write like this? Observe the code, guys. Please observe the code. Just observe the code. Please observe the code. This is the condition. For example, guys, if we are trying to read this file for the first time, what is the value returned by the read method? Tell me. What is the value returned by the read method? 65. So what is x value? X value will be 65. After returning 65, then the cursor will move to the next character like this. Am I right or wrong? Okay, now x value is 65. 65 not equal to -1. Condition is true or false? 65 is not equal to, yeah, it is true. Now, system.out.println x. Can I write like this, guys? So here, what is my output? I'll be getting my output as 65. I'll be getting my output as, not here, sorry. I'll be getting my output here as 65. Now, after that, again, my cursor will be going and checking the condition. Am I right or wrong? Guys, there are only one statement here. There is only one statement. After executing this statement, again, the cursor will be going and checking with this condition. Okay, what is happening there? You are calling the read method again. Now what is x value? What is x value? Exactly. X value will be 66. Checking the condition, again the condition is true. 66 will be printed. 67, 68, 69, 70, 70, like that up to 70, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Up to 70, the data will be printed. After that, again, it will be going to call the read method. Now what read method will return, guys? There are no characters present in the file. So read method will return exactly -1. Now the condition is true or false? The condition is false. Why? Because x value is -1. It is equal to -1. So the condition is false and the loop will be terminated. So here just I'm trying to write system.out.println data retrivd data retrieved. And guys, always remember it is a good programming practice to close the resource. It is a good programming practice to close the resource. So here I'm trying to close FIS dot close. FIS dot close. Okay. It is a good programming practice to close the resource. Now here in this particular while loop, do we need an increment operator, guys? Do we need an increment operator? No. Why we don't need an increment operator? Exactly. Read method. Read method is there, right? Fantastic, guys. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Now, let me try to see the program output. Right click, run as Java application. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. But this is not the data what I'm expecting. What I'm expecting this data. A, B, C, D, E, F. Am I right? So, any ideas? Can we typecast like this, guys? This is an integer. I'm trying to typecast into character. Right click, run as Java application, ABC, but not in different line. Okay, in the same line. Now, please observe this system.out.println like this. Now, right click, run as Java application. Did you understand, guys, how to read the data from a file? Is it easy? Is it easy or not? Tell me. Damn easy, guys. Okay, we'll do one thing. Let us try to write the data also into a file. Shall we try to write the data also into a file? Okay, we'll do one thing. Let me try to void file operations file operations 2. Now I want to write the data into a file. So, okay, tell me, if I want to write the data into a file, which class I need to take? Which class I need to take? Exactly, file output stream. Okay, new file output stream. And here, you know what I need to give. What I need to give? Here I need to give the file path. Just let me go with equal to file output stream belongs to file output stream like this. Okay. Now I want to make this file like this. File 2. Now my question is file 2 present in this location? Is file 2 present in this location? No. File 2 is not there. Okay. So file 2 is not there, sir. We need to handle an exception. No, I don't want to handle an exception. Let me try to escape from exception handling. Throws exception, throws exception. Okay. Now let us see, guys. Let us see what happens. Like whether an exception occurs or not. What do you say? Shall we check that? Okay. Okay, guys. Now, just for our understanding purpose, I'm writing connection, connection created. Okay. Now, connection created. Now, right, guys, please tell me which method I need to use. Which method I need to use? Which method? Right method. Okay. I'll do one thing, guys. I'll do one thing. String data equal to, I'm writing Java is awesome. I'm writing Java is awesome. Now I want to write this data into this file. Remember, file 2 is not present in this location. Let us see what happens, whether we are going to get an exception or a file will be created. What is your opinion? A file will be created or an exception will be occurring? What is your opinion? Okay, some people are saying file will be created. Some people are saying an exception occurs. Anyways, we'll be trying to check that. Okay, now what I want to do, guys, this data, I want to write this data into this file. So, guys, did you remember in strings, there is a method known as get bytes method. There is this method known as get bytes method. Okay, guys, in string we are having length method, toString method, substring method. Did you remember them? Like that, get bytes method. Now, what is the return type of this get bytes method? The return type of the get bytes method is byte array. What is the return type of this get bytes method? The return type is byte array. Now, please observe here, FOS dot write. Simply I'm going with array name. After that, system.out.println data entered, data entered. I'm writing like this. Now just let me try to keep this in comment, and I'm trying to call aobj dot file operations 2. File operations 2, like this. Okay. This is a string. I have converted this entire string into a byte array. Guys, this is just a name. You can go with any name. You know that. Yes. Is it mandatory to give ARR? No. It is just a name. You can go with any name. Right. So I'm passing this byte array as a parameter for this write method. I told you write method will accept int and byte array also. So I'm trying to use this byte array. Now, please check this. Right click, run as Java application. Connection created. Data entered. Let me check. Guys, is file created? Is my data present? Yes. I did not got any exception, guys. Completely a new file got created. Okay. Now, for example, guys, here I want to write one more, that is, okay, Java is awesome. So I love it. Okay. Now tell me what happens. If I execute my program, already in this file too, some data is there. Along with this data, this new data will be coming or old data will be completely replaced. What is your opinion? I mean, just take a stand. Along with the old data, new data also will be present, or old data will be completely replaced or else removed or overridden. What is your opinion? Okay. Most of the time people are saying that, not most of the time, I'm getting mixed outputs here. Like some people are saying replace, some people are saying removed. Okay, let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Where is our old data? Is old data present? No. Old data completely gone. No, sir, I don't want like that. I want my old data also to be present in my code. For example, Java is AWS for me, awesome, like that. I want my old data. Okay, let me execute, right click, run as Java application. And here right now, okay, Java is awesome. Along with this old data, I don't want to remove this old data. So I love it. Along with this old data, I want to add this new data. Then what I need to do, guys, if that is your requirement, if you don't want your old data to be replaced, then we need to use append mode. Append, A-P-P-E-N-D, append mode. Here, whenever you are giving, like whenever you are creating an object for your class, just try to add one more parameter and make that as true. Just make that as true. By default, that parameter will be false. If you are giving it as true, now please check this. Right click, run as Java application. Is my old data present, guys? Is my old data present? Yes. Along with my old data, I can go with my new data also. No, sir, I don't want my old data. I want completely my new data. Just remove this true. Okay, true. True initiates append mode. Initiates append mode. Kindly please do remember this. Okay, this is how we need to write the data into a file. Write the data into a file. Finally, guys, I just want to write one more method, void file operat file operations 3. Now what I want to do here, I want to copy the data from one file into another file. For example, in file 2, I am having this content. Okay, I want to copy this content from file 2 into file 3. File 2 into file 3. Shall we do that? Yes? Guys, come on, please tell me. Yes? That is great. That is great. Okay, okay. Now, please check this, guys. Please check this. Okay, can I write throws? THROWS throws EXEPTA1 exception like this? And I'm trying to create. I need two objects, right? File input stream. And of course, file output stream also. Sorry. File output stream like this. Guys, one more thing. I already told you, it is always good programming practice to close the resources. Guys, resources in the sense connections. That's it, not more than that. Like scanner class or else file input stream, file output stream, file reader, file writer, JDBC connections, connectivity steps. It is a good programming practice to close the connections. Kindly please do remember that. Okay. Okay. Now tell me from which file I want to read the data. From which file I want to read the data. File 1 or file 2? File 2. Very good. Let me make it as file 2. Okay. And I want to write it into file 3. Is it fine, guys? Please tell me. I want to read the data from file 2 and I want to write the data into file 3. Okay. Now, as always, just for our understanding purpose, system.out.println C1 and ECT1 connection CREATD connection created. Now, what I want to do, int, let me take X. Guys, same code I am writing. Same code, exactly the same code. Int X and while, come on, tell me, while X equal to, X equal to, I'll wait, X equal to, exactly, FIS dot read method, and it should not be equal to, -1. That is a condition. That is a condition. Now here, guys, X value will be integer. Am I right or wrong? X value will be integer, right? So Can I write like this? FOS dot write X. Guys, write method will accept integer and byte array. Am I right or wrong? So directly I'm trying to write int. How about now? And after that, system.out.println, simply I'll be trying to write data COPIED. Data copied. Let me check this. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for reminding. Ajay, guys, thank you for reminding. Suma, no need to typecast. Implicit typecasting, Suma. Guys, am I forgetting anything? Am I forgetting anything? Yes, close FIS dot close and FOS dot close. Sir, what happens if you are not closing? Guys, no problem will be there, but it is not a good programming practice. Always please try to close the resources. Okay. Yes. Now please check this. Just let me try to AOBJ dot file operations 3. Right click, run as Java application. Connection created, data copied, open my file 3. This is file 3 and this is file 2. File 2. That's it. As simple as this. As simple as this. Okay. Sushil, whenever you are printing, you need to do that. Writing not required, Sushil. Write method does not need that. Okay. Right. Now, guys, tell me one thing. For example, can I copy an image? Sushil, it will print. You can check that. Please check that, Sushil. You can print it. No problem. Okay, guys, can I copy an image? Okay. Where is an image? Just let me check. I need a lengthy image. The lengthy image. What about this? Sorry, that is by the way me only. Any lengthy image. Okay, we'll go with this. Okay, copy. Okay. Just let me go with like pick one. Okay. What is the properties? Sorry. JPEG. Okay, it is JPG, right? Okay, pick one. Thank you, Pranita. Okay, guys, please check this. Now, what I want to do, I want to read from pick one dot JPG. Okay, and I want to copy it in pick dot JPEG. That's it. Okay. Now, guys, I did not change any code. Did you observe that? Did I change any code? I mean, just I have given only the names. That's it. Okay. I just gave you the names. That's it. I literally did not change any code. Now, what I'll be trying to do, please just a second. Let me get this here. Okay. Now, guys, I'm trying to run my program. Please check this. Same logic. No need to change the logic. Now, right click, run as Java application. Pick to created size. Size is 1 KB. Size. Right now the size got updated, right? Right now the size got updated. Let me check. This is pick one. Okay. And this is pick two. So my question is, can I copy multimedia data also with the help of byte streams? The answer is yes, 100%. 100%. Okay, guys? Right, right. So, guys, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Please have this program in your notes right now. And I request you, before coming to tomorrow's class, at least you need to practice this program for minimum for 3 times. Minimum for 3 times. Minimum. Why? Because, guys, basing upon this program only, all other streams will be there. Tomorrow, I'm going to deal with a lot of programs. So please, I'll not upload this program in the Google Classroom. Please note down this program in your notes right now. Right now. Okay, I'm sorry, I did not see the chats. Chandraban sir, today I thought end of the class. No. Today is not the end of Core Java. No. Chandraban, did you not present on Friday? I told you that from today onwards, we are going to increase the timing. I told you that, right? Yes. Like some people requested me like only 1 hour class is going on. So I told you from today onwards, the time will be extended. I told you, right? Yes. Okay, Sushil Krishna. Generally, it will be like 65535 bytes, Krishna and Sushil. But basically, you can upload size, not at all a trouble. Okay, so right now, Mohammed is asking, sir, can we start the program early instead of finishing the late? Early in the sense, at what time, Mohammed? Early in the sense, what is your opinion? No, that is not possible, Ahmed. Sorry. I understand your requirements, but that is not possible. I think by that time you should be completing your iftar. 8 o'clock. Guys, file operations 2 completed. Wait. For some people, it's not yet completed. Be fast, be fast. Upender, be fast. Guys, again, I'm requesting you. Tomorrow, before coming to tomorrow's class, please practice this program at least minimum for 3 times, please. If you practice this program, then only tomorrow's class will be easy for you. If you did not practice this program and if you are directly coming to tomorrow's class, you will not understand tomorrow's class. It will be like watching Chinese movie with Malayalam subtitles. If you practice tomorrow's program, this program, tomorrow's class, you will literally enjoy tomorrow's class. Trust me when I say that. Please practice. And I strongly advise you to write the code. Don't take screenshots. Please, I'm requesting you. That is one package, Krishna. That's it. It's one of the package which is present in IO. You will generally will be using that whenever we are trying to create gaming. Gaming code, multi-threading. Wait for it, Nilesh. Wait for it. Completed. Please inform if completed, guys. Okay, guys, if completed, you can leave actually. If completed, you can leave. No problem. We'll be trying to continue with our remaining topics, streams in our tomorrow's class. If completed, you can leave. Others, if it's not complete, you can write. Please carry on. Okay, guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. Is it done? Please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Guys, you need to respond. Yes, 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 yes. I hope it's complete for everyone, guys. All right, guys, that's it. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening. And I request you kindly please practice this program and come to tomorrow's class. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.